Alright, so yes, so the real thing there, you know. For the jerk lovers, them, yes, so the real thing there. This remind me of Faith Spin, I'm not lie to you. Because Faith Spin, oh my gosh, she just saw jerk ice cream. Can you believe it? Jerk ice cream. This is how it is when you go, when you're on the way to Ocho Rios and you pass a place you call Faith Spin. This is how it's set up. Various vendors, all delicious food, and you get confused trying to decide who to buy from. So this is what it reminds me of right here on this strip. And I'm sure I'm going to get something very nice because this is what today's about, the eating thing. No meat thing, none of them about today, none. Yeah, and here we have the infamous Boston Jerk Center represented here at the Jamaican Jerk Festival. And this is, you know, straight out of Portland. The best, most authentic, realest, most delicious jerk food you can think of. And they don't just stick to jerk chicken and pork. You can find jerk pig's feet, you can find jerk pigtail, you can find jerk pig ears. They have a whole lot of niceties that you can partake of at Boston Jerk. Yeah, so the thing set.
Yeah man, and this is an example of what really I want a Boston Jerk. What them do know is that them just set up these racks and then put the chicken and the pork and the wrap them, and then them cover it with the zinc and the coal underneath it, and every now and then them just add more coal, you know, to make the thing go on, and I saw the jerking go on over. Yes sir, remember. So let's take a walk down Food Avenue. Boston Jerk right there, sir. The Publix tent is there, and that's where all the food competition is gonna be held. Yeah, and the celebrity chef them. You have reggae bar, and you have a whole host of different food vendors, you know, selling their different wares. And I promise you, if there's something that you feel for that you don't get at Jerk Festival, including the jerk ice cream, I promise you. You understand? But this is just a quick tour, a quick walkthrough of what's going on Food Avenue here at the Jerk Festival, Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival. Food trucks representing Caribbean food to the max, and it's increasing. You know, there was a time when you couldn't find, you know, that many food trucks in South Florida that represents the Caribbean flavors, or especially Jamaican flavors. But now food trucks galore. Donna is representing with food trucks, Donna's. Yeah, and I see a very, very nice truck down here, so that I too bad that gentleman in the white don't understand, saying playing a genius. He is playing against a genius. Yes, because Josh the Real is a genius.
Just know it at the backboard. Just know it at the backboard.
Hello there.
Your shot is so off. You just use two hands and do this. Basketball over there. All right.
Woo! Yes, sir. Woo!
Here is one of the most popular stars at the festival. The jerk ice cream. I promise you guys, every time I pass, the line is long. The line just long, and I mean the people them not have hand for sale. Everybody like it. Mixed reaction. Some people are used to it, some people like it. But I wonder how it tastes. Let me ask them.
How it tastes? Tastes good? You like it?
Great.
Which one you got?
This is better than Haagen-Dazs.
Yeah? Which one that? Which flavor is that?
Rum raisin.
The rum raisin.
You can buy this lady. Rum.
Okay.
The weather's awful.
Better than rum. Haagen-Dazs. Don't try eat the picture, you know.
Let me go for it.
Hi, my dear. Can I do the Oh, and you'll be back. Oh, how much is this? All right, I'll do one of that. On the side, I take credit card. Mango pie, pineapple jingle. We have beets, we have sorrel. We have what else? Coconut pine. $5 for ginger beer. Water. Water right there. You know what I would have said? No problem.
Yeah, phone ball, man. Thank you very much.
I work in a while. I work in a while.
You're late, man. Why did you come through earlier, man?
Veggie server, you want salmon and thing. You want clear boy. No man, clear boy.
So after buying a whole bunch of food expensive here, I say, we decide to go to the car and go eat it. So we're on the way to the car now. Look what going on now, ladies and gentlemen. Look what going on, people. Jerkfest. Rain and fall outside. It was a good day. It's been a good day, but rain and fall.
It's still a good day.
On and off.
Especially over here.
And in the middle of the rain, look here. In the middle of the rain. Let me zoom in. Watch it. Look over the side. This is the part I want to see. Look on crab trash. At the first, I see somebody chew up crab to powder and swallow it.
Because
watch your mouth.
A soft shell crab.
It's not soft. It's not soft shell crab. It's supposed to eat everything.
A blue crab.
Ladies and gentlemen, watch her. Look on her. All here I get wetty. Here there. So me have to deal with it. Joshua, don't something wrong with that?
That's nasty.
I would have loved to be in my living room so I can close my eyes properly and eat the fish.
Yeah, but so me have to deal with.
But in lieu of that, even though pepper are blind.
Where's the pepper though?
Blind me.
And she have how much bottle? 1, 2, 3 bottle of water. See? Water, water down there. So.
I want coconut water.
And here they know she already coconut water. And the food them expensive though.
Very.
But me understand the people them are trying to make back them thing, you know. And we over in the VIP parking section, cause you know so we is big things. Yes, we are big things in Florida. So yeah. But I saw the thing said, I promise you. We there look on the Jerk Festival I go on, yeah. Oh, make sure the hat. Yeah man, Yardie Belly merch. More taking in going on, more taking in. Aye. See, are you well wait pan, you know, with the crab belly? Watch your man.
I'm gonna leave these two when we go on. How you gonna
so we are gonna close the box.
Exactly.
May I throw with the trash and the garbage and then come
Where the garbage there?
Garbage all over the place.
Let me lock out the video because this is problem. What's wrong with you? What that Joshua said?
Yeah, yes! That's the Spanish we know. Thank you. Yes. Hold on. Where are you from? 2 minutes? 1 minute? Yes? This park here, I go on good brethren. The siblings, and now we have Madre. Yes. Alright, so I'm going to ask her one more time. And where are you from, darling?
Dominicana, Guatemalteca.
Dominica! And Guatemalteca, yes? That would sound like Guatemala. Awesome. You sound pick. Yeah, man. I go to school, you know. Yeah, man. I am well versed in different things. Chef Rod, what you do? You doing pretty good? So, I'm going to introduce Chef Rod. So Chef Rod is not here from South Florida, as in Miami, Fort Lauderdale. Where are you originally from, Chef? Not where you live now. Where you originally from? Okay, stop it. All right.
How's everyone doing today? Good. So I'm here at the Jerk Festival. Drove down about 5 hours. Again, I'm going to tell you my name, Chef Roger Sweet Pete Smith. I'm not going to tell you how I got the nickname Sweet Pete, but if you start giving me some rum, I'll tell you the full story. Just not right now. So what we're going to do today, we're going to do some fruit. When I do demos, I like to do side dishes so you can put it with any entree that you have. So today we're going to do a little Caribbean jerk fruit. Have anyone ever had jerk fruit or vegetables?
Alright, check it people, this is a very own Chef Andre Fawzi, a 2-time Food Network Chop Champion, and we're repping for Yardie Belly YouTube channel. Don't miss it, check out everything. Boom.
When you're buying avocado, make sure you give it a little press and your fingers give a little bit of indentation. I'm just telling you that it's ripe and it's ready to go. A lot of times it's ripe, it's hard, it's not very good. Alright, so hard is popping, alright, top. Alright, so you go like this. You want to hold you want to make a circle. You want to twist. Alright, and then to get this guy is tricky, so you got
Jason. I like to keep my things. I don't like to chop it. Alright, we got some good flavor right here. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to prep our salmon. So you can do any seafood you like, but I'm going to do salmon today. So don't be afraid of your salmon. So I'm representing Publix today. Shout out to Publix. Shout out to Publix. One of the best in the business. And we got all these amazing, most of these amazing products from Publix. So we got the salmon there. So I'm just going to show you guys how to properly sear your salmon. First we're going to butcher it, marinate, and then we're going to sear it. So get your skin on salmon, right? And you want to make sure your skin is dry. Just a little bit. Then you want to score your skin. So scores is a fancy chef term we said just cut into. So you want to grip your salmon like this. So don't be afraid. Alright? So you want to go 2. 1, 2. And what this does is that when you put it into the hot pan, it keeps flat and it sears your skin and give it a nice crispy skin. Right? So you see that? So that's cooking 101, right? So you want to do that, and then for the fun part, we're going into the jerk marinade. And of course, our major sponsor is Grace, of course. I'm pretty sure that everybody knows about Grace by now. Because Grace has been around for many years. And I grew up in
We didn't want to talk to you up here. You stay with us. What's your name, sir? Connor. Connor? You ready, Connor? You live around here, Connor? I'm good to go. People, now they kind of look so some of them broke Connor ready, Connor ready. What's your name, sir? Yankee John, for all those Yankee fans. What do you do here? That man down there after the party, my money don't like that, sir. Look here now, Jordy. This looks serious. We got 2 minutes, ladies and gentlemen, for Nyama. We Grace Jamaican style practice them right now. And she can't be true, sir. What do you mean? Nice, lovely Grace Jamaican. Alright, what are you? Jordy, what are you? We have the crowd now. Is this your man? What? Yeah, you want it about I'm serious about it. You're not true. It says you want it. Hold it back. Alright, thank you very much.
So it was an entire day of food and fun, and the festival continues with the music and the stage show. You know, them have some special guests gonna be there. But right now, me just leave with that clip here because me I tell you said the Boston jerk chicken have one bad. With the man. Hey, like, share, subscribe, call your friend and tell them Yardie Belly they are Jerkfest. Remember me tell you.